Okie dokie. So we are live and trading. So how's it going, everyone? Yeah, so pretty much let's go over the news. So we got like a BOE. Oh, let me get my glasses. So I wear these glasses. Screen protection. I just get these. You know, it's better to get them. Yeah. So Bank of England. I don't. What's this one here? We got some news come here. It's good to follow some of these news on your Twitter. Alright, that's just buy and sell, but I just look at this news. Okay. Okay. Alright, we got Bank of England interest rate decision in about, what, 12 minutes? I'm not quite sure what is the news today. Let's have a look. Federal Reserve set for final interest rate cut. Alright, we got something coming in. I'm just looking at CAD. Yeah, so this one I did do. Yeah, there was one here. I've kind of, when it went about here, I cut it off. There was nothing there. It's still, I would say, at the moment in the downtrend. Something like that, yeah. Yeah, so pound USD. I just want to see if it is live. Yes, it is live. Yeah, I didn't want to stream today, but I thought I got some free time and stream again. Let's put this in my Telegram and my Discord. Live stream. No. Should I put that in? Yeah, I've got to change my thumbnail. Oh, hold on. What is that? Just see if it is, yeah. Yeah, I've got to change my thumbnail. What the hell? It's repeating at the moment. Why is this one? Alright, that's it. Yeah, if you want to like it, you can give me a like. Alright, so live. Pound USD is a pair that I don't really like to trade much. I don't know why I got this in my sort of collection of charts. So this is all the charts I do trade. But if you look at it, look, consolidating, goes up, consolidating, goes up, consolidating. So as per the charts, it looks like, you know, we can see a flag pattern here. Yeah, this looks like it anyway. So for now, but obviously what I'm looking at is from there to low, so 78.6. But yeah, fibs are not matching at the moment on this one, but yeah, I don't know. I'll leave that one. Then you got this one. This is the trade, like kind of my A plus, I would say. So if you look at the high on the H4, this is like an A plus for me. Yeah, broken out. Then you got another one. Look, see, like a pretty much like a there. Yeah, head and shoulders apart. This is one got a fair value gap, but I didn't see a clean wick like that, so I didn't enter. It's like a free pin I look for. Free pin is similar to pretty much like here. This one here. 1, 2, and like 3, yeah. So that's free pin there, but there was nothing there on the H4. But I don't know. Fair value gap, yeah. So it is hitting 78.6, but yeah, this is not a bad trade actually. Yeah, so you had a liquidity grab here. I would say inducement, but yeah, see there, going up. It's bouncing here, but right now it's in this sort of range at the moment. So if it breaks out, it breaks out. AUD USD. Let me just put this here for now. Ooh. The shades, or okay, that looks a bit better because yeah, it's a lot of sunshine because I'm just opposite a window. No. No. Alright, this is a trade I'm in at the moment right now. Yeah, it was one high, 3, so, and then I put a fib from top to bottom is 78.6. Yeah, with clean rejection right there. Right there. 1, 2. I knew that was going to drop. So I probably might go to this low and then pretty much call it a day from here. Let's have a look. Yeah, I'm going to do about 30 pips because of the news coming in. Oh, it's 4 minutes left. Let's have a look at news. 3 minutes. Yeah. Euro CAD. This is an interesting one now. I've taken this trade, but so my goal is right now. I just made, just draw up a plan I did, and then with that one, what pair is it? Okay, someone's made a comment. Yeah, someone's made a comment on there. What pair is it? Which which pair are you asking for? See, have a look at these. Look, I got this marker. These ones here. These are for the London and the New York Open. Yeah, so Asian low. That's an Asian low right there. Yeah, have a bit of. Oops, my tea's a bit cold. Yeah, because of the weather. So what I'll do, just listen to Bloomberg. Listen to Bloomberg for a bit, and I'll be back. In the next okay, we've got a minute left.
They cited strong productivity savings. Heard the story yesterday. PepsiCo has an agreement with Elliott. They're going to trim its lineup up to 20%. They plan to cut prices, streamline staff, which I guess means firing people to help the company's focus. Shares are up 2% after a rally yesterday. Next up, HSBC. They've cut Biogen to a sale. The analysts say that the drug maker faces weaker growth, pressure to cut costs, and sees no clear deals on the horizon to revive momentum. Finally, Blue Owl, that gets an upgrade to a strong buy at Raymond James. The firm says that investors are overstating risks that its private lending funds will face heavy withdrawals next year. They also argue that Blue Owl's strong fees, high margins, 20% plus earnings growth make the stock too cheap. And as Matt just pointed out a moment ago, we're going to be talking to the Blue Owl co-president, Craig Packer. That's at 10:30 a.m. So in just under an hour's time, Matt.
Yeah, and they've had a big run up, 15% from the November low in shares of OBDC. So a lot to talk with Craig Packer about, but we want to get to Cracker Barrel. Shares falling as the company says sales will fall faster than previously expected. It is planning cost cuts to offset those losses and recover from an about face over its logo change. Bloomberg's Red Brown covers the restaurant industry, joins us. This is one that, I mean, for some reason, our control room, the kids in the back row.
All right, we're back. Okay, top to bottom. You've got a nice little fair value gap as well. Gold. Let's have a look at gold. Yeah, consolidating at the moment. Gold is. Yeah, that was a good trade actually. This is the criteria. Some of the trades I do put on here. Yeah, a lot of them are here. The weekly ones I put here as well. Yes, so this one I'm in at the moment. So for me, I just went from pretty much, it was top to bottom I went, but it wasn't that one. It was from here to, I think it was, yeah, this one, high to low, that there, smack 78.6. Maybe from there I might just call a lot of it off, and then yeah, this is the trade I am in at the moment. But yeah, it's going good. Yeah, I play this a lot. Obviously not this advert, but yeah. Study with me. So this is a great you know, a video to watch. So yeah, this guy here, Abo in Tokyo. It's a range, consolidating, range. No volume at all. No. That was no. You know, even if it misses it, so example, let me off this. If you're missing the fibs, so what this one here, I was looking up from high to low. It was missing it, even though it hit that 78. But it went up. You know, I don't really like to take a trade, but it was right on the fair value. Yeah, right here. Yeah, look, 10 o'clock. Dot on ICT. This is it. Let's take from there. So have a look at this to top to bottom. Yeah, you got if you get a wick here, clean one, you could probably take this one. It has to be a wick. Okie dokie. So yeah, 78.6. I had this one. I'm in this trade at the moment, so probably might cut it off from about here. Take partials. TP1, that'll take, and then TP2 there. Pretty much going to be out of it. So I'm taking one trade at a time. You know, there's like a trade plan here. So if you can see it, it's pretty much what I'm doing right now. So one trade, New York Open. Take one. And no over risking or gambling, risk per trade. You could get this from ChatGPT. But I've got some samples from it, but I've did a lot of it myself. Example, plan to pass. If you want to pass a challenge or whatever it is. Goal is to make 8%. If you aim for 0.5 per day, that's about £50. So yeah, and that's how it is. So just stick to the plan or the charts that you trade, and then hopefully go from there. But yeah, so that's it really, and so thanks for watching. And we got Fed and FOMC, so I'm probably off now because I was only here for a little period of time. I wasn't meant to do it today, but yeah, see, this one I cut it off. Yeah, so stick with this. So thanks guys for watching and stay safe.